Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And earlier today, I was trying to help somebody, and I made a white background because she wanted everything black, or they wanted everything black. And I know nothing about printing. So if I'm going to take and go to Object and lock my yellow box. And then if I take this, I can see some things on the inside. So my normal standard back minus front or whatever didn't work. But if we will go to Object and combine it, it took away all the white where the black is. So if the printer is going to pick up on that, there is no white behind the black. It's all, let me just nudge it over just a little bit. You can see all the white is taking up this, there's no white behind the black. All the black is pure black and all the white is just the representation. So maybe the printer would act differently on this. I don't really know. There's actually a few places that could be turned back into black. Let's just do that real quick. Let me back up here, and you could possibly take these two. I just inadvertently missed them. Just nudge those over. And I think there was one tooth, but I'm not going to worry about it. So you would want to select all this, go up to Object and group it together. And basically it's already done. Even though I filled them in, there was just some yellow, and there's one more tooth that you could possibly fill in. But that's just filling in that, so you wouldn't have to move it away. So that's a different way to look at it. And if you just if we do this, maybe it'll make it a little more. Let's go up to Object, Group, and ungroup this, and take the Shape tool and just move this. I'm going to have to ungroup all. Take the Shape tool, and we just move this. You can see there's no white beyond that black. It's just the color itself is there. Anyway, it's kind of like a white fill, but there's no other way to really do that with all the other whites that are in there. Hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.